Hi guys!
It's my life! It's my life! We got a new song today.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're giving you guys some bonus footage. Welcome to Tuesdays with Tricky with Tricky!
Yes, it's me.
It's her. So
today I was like, Stevie was moving up and down, so I said, Jodi, come and feel Stevie moving up and down. And this was Jodi's face.
Stevie was not just moving up and down. Stevie was trying to escape. Good girl was I make her grand escape. Stevie was like, this life in here all cramped up, it ain't for me. I'ma go.
I know. She's really cramped though.
I find she's the same amount of cramped as like 99% of all the other babies.
They're very cramped.
That they don't know anything else. So when they come out now, they're like, it's my life. We're just listening to a little jam by Little Hanky Panky there.
Yeah.
Right now, new on your airwaves.
What are you listening to it on? Spotify?
Spotify,
You
yeah.
have Spotify right now?
Yes, girl. Yes, they just opened up the whole Spotify thing. So now Jamaica's, but I had a Spotify account. I just use a different VPN or whatever it was that I did. Somebody hooked it up for me because I never know what's going on. All right, it's 1:30. We are heading over live on the IG. Watch how we can't get on again. It's always a drama, you know. It's always a... Watch it. May I touch and I touch and I touch. So you want me to touch too much?
I have to shave up your underarm.
I shaved my underarm yesterday. What are you talking about? This is a fresh shave.
It's always so wetty under there.
Because I don't use antiperspirant. I just use natural deodorant. Tracy,
What?
you can't always use
Hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe. YouTube, look, hear me, YouTube. Instagram looking different again today.
Hi, Lady B Cube. Thank you for Stevie's gifts. You sent some stuff for Stevie.
Listen, I'm sick and tired of Stevie taking over my mail pack account.
What are you talking about?
I get so excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, stuff has come for me. Oh my gosh, let me pick up all 15 of these packages. 14 packages are for Tracy.
They're not for me. They're for Stevie. They're for your niece. Who you need to spoil, because you know if it wasn't for me, she wouldn't be getting a damn thing.
Okay, all right.
The child must learn to live in with what she has. Titty. Stevie will be eating titty for the first 10 years of her life.
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring yourself in here for some jokes. And Tracy telling me about my underarms that need to shave.
No,
I think we talk about my underarms most weeks.
I definitely think we've talked about your underarms a lot.
I don't understand why my underarms are... This is really good.
I can never see.
So today, we are sipping, I'm sipping on some Lady B mixology, and she has given me a lemonade, and this one is a cilantro and cucumber. Cilantro and cucumber lemonade.
That needs to stop. I feel like I should be on
And
the
the
beach.
liquor is tequila.
Oh, that tastes so good. Is this one of our summer experiment collections?
I don't know if it's an experiment. I think you can ask for it. She never said anything about an experiment.
That tastes really good.
So yes, you have the cucumber, so it's nice and fresh, ready for the summer, and then the cilantro to add a
because
little...
I can't leave her in the lockdown again and I won't get to drink those on the beach.
The beach is not closed forever. It's just closed for a little while. Oh dear Lord. You'll be fine, Trey.
That drink reminds me of good times.
And the drink will be there for more good times. Lord of mercy. For those of you who didn't know, it's on the summer menu.
I just want to go outside.
Outside is closed.
Oh, it's too much. Oh.
Mommy?
I need some tissue.
Lord, go to the bathroom. You cannot use your dress.
I can't help it.
Oh. For those of you who didn't know, we are now on weekend lockdowns, right? So what is that? We're not really sure. So we were watching the press conference, and basically 9:30 to 12:30 on the Tuesday, the 4th day, and the 6:30, you're to stay inside. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 12 p.m. until 9 a.m. you can go into supermarkets unless you're going to the market, which is open for 1 hour longer. If you take the bus, don't worry. From 9 o'clock until 6 o'clock and 7 p.m. the next following of the next morning, you can also go to work, except when work is closed on the Thursday, the fortnight, and the Friday.
Then you'll have to work at home.
Then you have to work at home, unless you're elderly. If you're elderly, then you must stay at home every 6 days, 7 days, 4:30.
Hope you guys got that.
Got it?
If you need a breakdown, you can just call Bro God on his hotline.
Yeah. So
1-800 Jamaica.
Why all the Jamaican terror them left? Lord of mercy.
They were like, bye bitches.
Bye. Peace out.
Anyway.
Lord of mercy. We just want to big up today. So last week, it looks good on you.
Thank you.
By the Cabana came through with a little gifty poo for Tracy and made me so jealous.
They sent a little dress for me. It's my life. It's my life. I like it. And this bra, I got this bra from Amars. It's making my boobs look so good.
Yo, nobody don't love Amars more than Tracy.
By the way, they gave me like a special discount card. I think I'm in Amars like once every 2 weeks. Like, God no, I'm in Amars. I love it. I love it in there. Yeah, but they have everything. I mean, they have baby stuff. They have stuff for. But Remy, her little dress.
Yes, Remy has 2 little dresses from there. And then, so that dress, this is By the Cabana. You can check out their Instagram page. We love them. We love By the Cabana.
Yeah.
They could be by anywhere. If they're by the cabana, if they go by the pool, they go by the lawn, we love them. So wherever you go by the cabana, we are there.
By the bush.
By the bush, by the road, yeah. By the curfew, we'll still go in. Okay?
Yeah.
And then I saw this little piece online.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's from Trini Jungle Juice and it has like little soca sings on it.
Soca, give me power. Wow, this one says, hello, hello. High life, wow. Bacchanal. This is cute. This is cute.
How do they make the booty clap though?
Let me see.
Yeah. It's not clapping.
It was clapping in sign language.
It was okay. See, I clap my booty clap for the deaf.
Oh God. So anyway, I know Jodi's abs look good, eh?
Oh, thank you. I've been working outside, actually up to my cardio, so I've been using my peloton 3 days a week, and then I go to the gym for 4 days a week. So I've been really trying because my summer, my carnival, the body I wish to use one day outside needs to be ready when outside is open.
So anyways, just wanted to know if you guys knew that I have some cooking videos on the YouTube channel that you guys can go and view. So the cooking videos are for people who want to cook some dishes but need to do them quickly and just have them very tasty. And my dishes are usually healthy. I don't use a lot of oil. I don't fry. Well, mainly because I don't know how to fry. So I know. And so but the dishes are really, really easy and simple. So last night I premiered one of my dishes, which was Mediterranean lemon chicken with sexy salad.
She calls it that because the chicken wouldn't get brown.
Well, it's not, no, but then I saw that I had some people who didn't like it. I think Fitz was one of the haters on the video because the chicken didn't get brown. But it's Mediterranean, it's European, the chicken doesn't get brown. They don't really eat brown chicken.
Well, you cannot make your chicken get brown if you use a non-stick pan, and also if you're going to like cook it down in juice. You would have to fry it first and then put it over in the juice.
Right, which I didn't do. Mine marinated in the juice and then I cooked it.
Marinated. You marinate chicken in a marinade. It's two different words.
I just don't find I said anything different.
Nandi said, you know, that I must correct you. So, but I noticed that you have 3 extra people.
Esbrook See, hey girl, I love your videos. Fitzworth, because the white people alone eat white chicken. That's what Fitz said.
Fitz, listen. It's Mediterranean, okay?
It's European.
So she made European white chicken. Somebody said to use brown.
No,
Sometimes
chocolate
brown
chip.
didn't add
It's
that
European.
flavor.
It's not supposed to be brown. You guys, come on.
All right. So here's a challenge. You guys try Tracy's recipe and better it, or make your chicken brown, or add something
And then
tag
tag me.
Tracy.
And tag
so
me.
go and do a story and be like, hey Tracy, this is how you get the chicken brown, because this is a learning experience for everybody. Tracy's not saying that she's a chef.
No, I want you guys to be involved. This is all about you guys too. Like, this is about us together.
So for the 3 additional people that you've got to hate our videos, to dislike our videos, I just want you to know that that's not cool.
Well, I don't think that they don't not like me. I just feel like they've never tried white chicken before.
Just try the white chicken. And as you're seasoning, I can see the comments. No little onion, no little this. It's like, not all chicken must season with onion. I understand that there are 7 essential seasonings as taught to me by my Rastaman friend. However, if you season the chicken with the same seasonings every single time, the chicken going to taste the same.
Yes, All Black 85. Try my recipe, All Black 85, and tag me and let me know. I'm dying to know.
Show her how you get the chicken brown. You know?
And thank you, Cakes by Chef Bernie.
How do people have bangs and it not get in their eyes?
I just don't understand why you have to have this comb being featured.
Because my makeup, my hairstylist keeps coming. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Like, which Rasta that I eat chicken? Rastas eat a lot of things.
Yeah, what happened to the curry goat competition? You know what happened? We couldn't find
like a way to make it work in terms of everybody dropping off the curry goat or the curry chicken the day of the competition, but without having like so many people come to my house. But with what was happening before was a drop
and then
off,
the keeping of the curry
warm
and safe, because
you
we
don't
can't put it in the fridge to warm it up the next day, because
the curry would pour your belly.
Yeah, so it was we couldn't figure out a safe way to do the drop-offs and whatever. So we're still
Slim as that's rude.
What's Slim Slim say?
Use Gorilla Glue. Rum and raisin, that's the same thing with ice cream. Like it's something very timely, you know? So like I would love like a sorbet.
He was talking about that rum and raisin. I think he was talking about the policeman video rum and raisin.
Oh, it's my life.
So anyway, it is curfew this weekend.
And the next weekend and the weekend after that.
Henriques P22. So it is curfew this weekend. Do you guys have your board games ready? It's time for family games.
Oh God.
Get your dominoes and your cards out.
And you know, okay, so let me tell you what I was trying to do. And hear me out until you start to cuss. Hear me out. So I was saying to myself, okay, yeah, cool. All right, let me link my policeman friend and ask if I can get a letter so I can go to Nana's on Sunday. And I was like, you know what? This is the exact same thing that I'm cussing about. People who always think that they're exempt to the rules. And we all do it. I mean, I know I do it a lot of sometimes. But then if you're going to say, hey, you need to be fair, then you need to kind of be fair yourself. So for example, when people are cussing about, oh, look at all the uptown people partying. I've seen quite a few very fun looking dances going on. Or, you know, when somebody says, you need to that, there's 4 pink fingers pointing back on you. And so that was kind of like a little lesson for me after bro got talk, because I'm just like, yeah, I got a policeman friend. But we need to all realize that.
Thank you, Sandy.
Shut up. We need to realize that the rules are for everybody, and though we may not like them or though we may not agree with them, we just have to try follow them. The sooner we follow the rules, and this is for everybody including myself, the sooner we follow the rules is the sooner that we can go back to some kind of normalcy.
I know, and I'm just dying to go to a party. I'm honestly, can you believe I've done the whole of my pregnancy and
Well, this is exactly why I don't know how to move my booty. Somebody said I look like the Arctic Shake. This is everybody's fault.
she wants some WD-40.
No. So let's have a little conversation here now. So I think that it's
So what I don't know, but was it something that they started? They were going to find people that were found
Our laws, everything is so antiquated that our fines would basically be $500. And the people that you would end up fining would be like, psh, whatever.
Turquoise Kia is asking, why do we call our Prime Minister Bro God? That's so weird. Oh, so guess what? What was it? Turquoise? Jamaicans are the kind of people that we love nicknames, and we
It
love
was a song. I believe it was a song. And then, so there was this kind of like bro god, people calling people bro god, bro god. And
no,
then
he came out with
he
came out with his political thing, and he used that song.
And then, and then on Twitter for about 2 hours, it was early one morning, like at about 4 a.m. He actually switched his Twitter name to Andrew Brogard Wholeness, and it was kind of, like the younger Jamaican crowd was like, okay, bro God. So it's kind of just like a little, and he wore Clarks. You have to wear Clarks. You can't be in Jamaican government and you don't wear Clarks.
Jamaicans love to give people nicknames, Like everybody have a nickname.
Yampy, Wani, whatever it may be. But so he has, as for the fine, so I saw in the Observer today, they wanted to fine up to $500,000. No.
Antonella is asking what the curfew terms are, and well, girl, you have to go read that up on your own. It's very
confusing.
It's not that confusing. Pretty much we're in. So now, let me talk now.
Okay.
Jeez, sip some juice because your throat back must dry. Oh yeah, chat off. So anyway, Antonella, the curfew times are as follows.
Speak with your throat back, girl. Talk. Come.
So pretty much from Monday to Friday we start our curfew at 8 p.m. and then Saturday the curfew starts again at 12 p.m. and then from Saturday 12 p.m. till Sunday, all of Sunday till Monday morning at 5 a.m. we are in lockdown. We're not allowed to go anywhere. We can't leave the yard. And then the following weekend is the same thing, except we're including the Monday in the lockdown, and then the following weekend is the same thing.
Just stay home.
Yeah.
Just stay home. But then again, so there's a lot of different angles that we're looking at, Anne. So Tracy and I...
Abigail T says she likes the suit.
Some kid.
What was that supposed
Look at the big hand over
sorry.
YouTube.
Tracy, what the hell? Stevie kick you? Yes, M-Town. Stevie in the belly.
Are people actually following the curfew restrictions?
Well, we'll have to see now because he just.
But I find in general the answer.
Hello.
This is good.
Let me say, you are really innocent. You must eat chicken batty for dinner. You eat chicken batty?
What does chicken batty have to do with me?
It make it talkative.
Oh, can you have mouth diarrhea?
Well, it's Bro God came on and put on some new stipulations, so we'll have to see this weekend if the people respect the curfew hours, and therefore if we can get out of this quarantine. So anyway,
so what do you guys think about just doing a 2-week or a 3-week complete lockdown of the country? When I say complete, locking of the airports. If we stop the virus coming in just for a short period of time and keep the lockdowns that we have now, do you think that it would kind of slow down what's happening? Because I find that the problem is we have so many people coming into Jamaica who may be bringing the virus, and then we have so much movement on the ground that the virus just keeps spreading.
I don't know.
I
believe in a total lockdown if you're asking me, but then a lot of people are like, oh, the economy can't manage this and the economy can't manage that.
But we closed down for a little while at the beginning of this curfew. So
but you know what, I want to see, and I would love to have like a conversation with like the person in charge of the finances of the government and some other things, because everybody
want to talk to Nigel Clark?
Yeah, I think he's
very
cute.
Handsome.
I don't even.
Big up yourself, Nigel. Goodbye,
Clark.
Nigel.
I know Nigel.
Okay.
Glasses.
All right. Settle down.
He's very cute, though.
He's very handsome. Even
Nana said so. So I don't know. Anyway, let me just move on because we could talk about this all day.
All day, yeah. And actually, you know, I think at the beginning of this whole thing,
I just said let's move on.
I'm just taking another sip. Just taking another sip.
Do you guys think that bangs help people with big foreheads?
Ah! I have a feeling a lot of people don't like my hair because people keep asking them, so they want to beat me hairdresser. Tracy, did you do Jodi's hair? I did my hair myself. What is the problem? What
is the problem? You have to keep combing it every 5
I like
seconds.
the comb. It's my makeup artist. He keeps stepping in. Mario, that's enough. They're noticed. They see you. Settle down. It's too much, man. No powder. No powder. Oh, fine. I'm just trying to live my best Kim Kardashian life, and you're all
Actually,
like,
you kind of look like Anne Marie Baz today.
really?
Yes.
I think it's a swoop hair.
Yeah, she likes to do a swoop. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I remember when Anne Marie gave you the fashion icon award and handed it over to you. That was like the best day of your life.
Yes, true. Flex chick says she don't like my hair today.
Oh,
Guys, I like
so
to
who
do
do I look like? Do I look like Lisa Hanna? You know, she always has that kind of wavy, natural look going on.
Well, then you should be saying something smart then.
2 + 2 is 4.
And they're very calming voice. I believe.
2 + 2.
We are not going to get anywhere in the society. Bang, 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 bang. If at the end of the day we do not support our ganja farmers. Bang, 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 bang. Big up yourself, Lisa. Can't say nothing bad about you. Wait.
That was good. That was good.
Maybe it's the bong part? The bong? Oh, I don't have a bang. I have a bong. Guys, but I find that, you know, it hides like a good portion of my forehead.
It does though, it does.
Somebody said looking like Keisha. I thought you guys would like it. They want done me on the live today, man. And the colour all match up nice and neat.
Yeah, the colour look good.
Mario, stop.
So so I saw this meme the other day with Kylie Jenner. Steve V.
What's happening?
She just give me one ratted kick, you see? Jeez. Anyway.
You right there?
Dude, that was like a kick. So anyway, so I saw a meme the other day and it was Kylie Jenner. Was it Kylie? The younger sister with the lips. Kylie. Yes, Kylie. And it said, let us not forget, you're not ugly, just poor. And it had the side by side of when she was younger and then now, and she's looking like...
I totally agree.
You totally agree?
I totally agree. I don't think that there's any ugly people. I think that if you have enough money, you can make yourself a way more beautiful version of yourself.
But then people start off pretty and then do lots of surgery and end up ugly.
Yeah, but I think that's then like a whole what you call it, a mental illness. So
how do you differ from mental illness between mental illness and whatever? Like, I mean, I think Khloe Kardashian has gone too far.
Yeah, but I think that also too, growing up, Khloe was always in all the comments, everybody's just like, Khloe's the ugly sister, you'll never be as pretty as, and some of the comments.
But then she got to the point where everybody was like, yo, she's the best looking sister now.
And then I guess she was just like, she looks at her other sisters who keep doing like their touch-up surgeries or their, somebody says Little Kim.
Yes.
So, you know, and their touch-up surgeries, and she goes for a touch-up surgery and just goes one too far. You know, it's like, I know, I don't know if she can go back, because look at when actually Kim did fix herself. You don't remember when Kim's nose went up too far?
No.
Khloe did get surgery. I don't know, I'm not her plastic surgeon, but she came up with a new face just last month.
Tammy Williams official says they get addicted over time.
I think so.
Hi,
because
Passion.
it's like a immediate change. Like, for example, like when you go to the gym, and then all of a sudden, like, you know, you have your bottom and your belly and your this and your that. You're like, oh well, this is great. And then you have your bottom and your belly, like, well, I want my
So who did surgery and it looks good? Where do we start off this topic again? Oh, you're not ugly, you're just poor. And I said, but some pretty
Chloe
people
OD.
start off.
It's called body dysmorphia. That's correct. Why do all the men in the Kardashian family go crazy after a while?
I don't know. Must be something in the water.
I think that living with them or alongside them must be pretty difficult. You know what I mean? So for example, imagine you have to follow certain rules and regulations, that filming and content means more than actual real family time.
So
you know what I mean?
I said, whose surgery looked good? And people are saying Shensia.
What did Shensia do? Well, if she did anything, she looks good.
I didn't even know.
I did hear that rumor. She looks good. She looks good. Nicki Minaj, Cardi B. Cardi B has done
quite a... Derek Jackson?
Is that's the guy I just showed you that he was cheating on his wife.
Who is Saloni?
Saloni never do no. Salani never do no surgery. You know for go. Leave Salani alone.
They want
Salani. They want about Salani.
They're saying they want to talk about Salani. Who is that?
Salani, they keep her 9 nights on her funeral the other day. I don't have anything new happening with her though. Shen did do surgery and she looks good. Okay, but I don't find she would have done much. Like Cardi B has done quite a bit and I find she looks good now. Cardi B, you're never going to watch this. So just, you know, just in case, you know, someone. You look good. Stop right now. Just stop. I think Kylie Jenner looks good.
Do you find that Beyonce's teeth are getting further apart though?
Don't talk about Beyonce.
Oh. That's a soft spot?
Yeah, don't talk about Beyonce. No, when the bees come for you, no. Don't let the bees come for you. Don't let the bees come for you.
Oh.
Cardi did do too much. I like how Cardi looks. I just like Cardi overall. She's just such like a... It comes into my mouth and I see
So do you, when you're getting your makeup done by these like professional makeup artists like Mario over here, like what makeup lines do you think Tracy, your dentist? No, my dentist is Kirk Samuels.
Don't talk about Beyonce. They don't see the beehive is like calling me now.
Oh God.
The beehive is calling it. You must not talk about Beyonce.
But she's one of my favorites. I love her music.
I think that even if she has done something, that she has such a beautiful look.
Who, Beyonce?
Yeah.
But she has a very exotic look, eh? It's hard to like, you know, she's not somebody that a lot of people can look like Rihanna.
Okay, yeah.
Like she's not.
Oh, no, I know what you mean. Okay.
She's not somebody a lot of people can look like.
Yeah, because people.
Like I find that Mariah Carey is beautiful as well, but
I look like Mariah.
Yeah, I find that she has like a look that you can emulate very easily.
You would come this way, Mariah. Mariah, touch up.
It's all that quick silentness there, guys.
Dream lover, come and rescue me.
I love you.
Rihanna is a baddie, that is for sure.
Rihanna,
and you know what I like about her? Like, you won't see her for a little while and she comes out in a picture and she's like smoking weed, like walking on the pool deck, like, fuck y'all.
No, but what I love the most about Rihanna is that Rihanna put on weight, like significant amount of weight, owned it, loved herself, like did a whole look with lots of weight, and then slowly lost the weight and at different stages still owned it, and then she's down to a size now and she's just loving herself at every stage.
I love Rihanna. I love her. I don't know if it's because she's Caribbean, I don't know if it's because I don't smoke weed, but I think she looks really cool smoking weed. I don't know why. Like when she has a little joint in her hand, it's not called a joint. What's the cool word for joint?
Spliff.
When she have the spliff in her hand, like, you know, just find that she looks so cool. Peer pressure is real. Rihanna is not going to make me smoke. Oh, yeah, sorry, I dropped the F-bomb.
You did?
Yeah, I dropped the F-bomb earlier. Not a fart. I said...
I was like, it was really silent.
No.
I didn't even smell it.
My goodness. Sipping on my Lady B mixology. This one is really nice. This is a lemonade. It's a cucumber. Cucumber or cucumber?
My God, you almost finished it.
That's not almost finished it. Come on, man. Get with yourself.
Get with myself.
Malaysia. Wow, that's one far. Jodi, you never smoke Sean split?
You have to go back into some previous.
I do not smoke weed. I have smoked weed.
Who is that calling you?
Can you press the buzzer on the bell, please? On the gate, I can't speak to you. Sorry, somebody's trying to call me. I don't answer. Then they WhatsApp call me. They're sitting at my gate. Do you know there's a buzzer?
Jamaicans don't like buzzers.
Jamaicans don't like buzzers.
Stevie is really acting up right now. Whenever I eat peanut butter, she gets crazy. She loves it.
Oh, thank you. Somebody says I love my hair. You're probably the only person.
Somebody says that we're both beautiful.
Aww. Hello, everybody.
So anyway, what makeup brands do you guys find are the best? Like, I love Fenty. I love their liquid thing.
But you use the one I got today.
I didn't like it. That was a Giorgio Armani. I didn't like it. I like the Fenty. What do you guys like? What do you guys like? Have you guys tried the Fenty?
Let me
I love the Fenty. What you call that thing again?
Foundation. Stop easing yourself. So I finally got myself some Fenty. When I went on to go into their like foundation, their color check. So my favorite foundation, my Makeup Forever. You put in your Makeup Forever and the number, and then it will tell you any other brand that you're looking for. It will tell you your color in that brand. So I wanted to try Giorgio Armani because a friend of mine loves it.
Kayla T. Reed says she's LA girl. You remember LA girl?
Yes. I used to use their under eye concealer, but I had the wrong color, so it was a little too stark for me.
I used to use it too till they didn't have it at Fontana for like the longest time.
Fit by Maybelline. So in Fontana, they didn't have my color and they don't have samples. I can't remember which one it was. I've been dying to try the Maybelline. Elizabeth Arden. Oh, kind of old-time brand that.
I know, right?
MAC, yes, I like MAC. MAC is my everyday, if I wear makeup every day.
We have a MAC store in Jamaica, so I think everybody has a little bit of MAC out here. Like I use a MAC concealer now, and on a daily basis I use the
CoverGirl.
I found CoverGirl started breaking me out, you know.
Really? It has that smell. It has like a
makeup.
Makeup, yeah. Christian Dior. Okay, Antonella.
NYX is very good, Chrissy.
Yes.
I love that. Chrissy 30.
Elizabeth Arden has a beautiful red lipstick. That is true. I've seen it. I've never bought it.
Oh my gosh, Tarte. They smell so good.
Wow. I remember when I first started like
Glanza girl, Mary Kay. Mary Kay still the boat?
Yes.
They had some really nice lip colors.
They had a nice scrub for your face too.
Oh my gosh, yes.
They had a good microderm scrub.
They did.
I remember back in the day I used to have everything in MAC. MAC. And people would be doing my makeup. Like when Dexter would come and he would do my makeup. Rest in peace to Dexter. He'd be like, use it. And I'm like, what's that brand? What's that brand? I only use MAC. And he was like, Jodi, like MAC has some good things, but there's other brands out there that also have great things, and you need to try them. It's not that there will ever be in anything that you ever use, whether it's on your face, your butt, your leg, your hand. It won't be one brand has everything good. You know, it will be the lipstick from here, the mascara from here, the lotion from here, and it gives you a nice little, you know, to try different stuff. You know.
No D1212, not Dexter Daps.
Dexter Daps was not doing my makeup, because I guarantee you. And wait, hold on. I'm a married woman.
We're not going nowhere.
Oh.
Ay.
Boy loving bellyless poison it.
Two-Face, yes, Dexter Pottinger, that's right.
No. So yes, and it was so funny.
So let's think about Jodi, I just find you're talking a lot today.
No problem, and they cussed me off in the comments. Jodi, let Tracy talk.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, today the radio was on when Jodi and I were in the car, and we heard some Carnival songs, and I got really emotional. I think I'm getting a little bit of COVID fatigue right now.
Fatigue?
Yeah. I think I'm finally having COVID fatigue. Anyway, so I was thinking, like, what are your favorite Carnival memories? What's your favorite Carnival memory?
My favorite Carnival, to tell you the truth, I had an overall great Cayman Carnival the last time we went. I had a good Cayman Carnival. So in general, whenever we're in Trinidad and we are about, big up to all the Trinis, I know a lot of Trinis tune in, so I just want to say hi. When we're heading...
You were totally fangirling a while ago to all the Trinis.
Trinis, I love you. Hi, Trinis. When we are about to head over the bridge to the Green Bridge, and it says, what did the bridge say again?
Oh, St. James.
The St. James Bridge.
Yeah.
It gives me all kind of feels. And I remember the 1 year Tracy didn't come to Tree Jungle Juice store. I got my package. I remember when Tracy did not come with me that carnival because she was trying to teach me a lesson. I cried. I looked up and I saw the bridge to St. James and Tracy wasn't with me and I cried. You know, that's like my thing. Like just when you hit down the road and you're drunk, you know, so you don't see nothing and all of a sudden like, shit, a bridge! You know, and that's I look up, Tracy spot. And I have to hold hands and we have to cross the bridge together. That's our thing. That's like our carnival moment. That's we are here in Trinidad and Tobago. We are on our vacation. I don't give a rat's ass what my kids are doing right now.
Do you remember that time that I got stuck in the mosh pit? That all the boys that started in the mosh pit and they were all jumping up and down. I was in the middle and I'm like, ah! Somebody did it for first
No, so where was I?
You were there moshing.
Oh, you mean you were just stuck? You have to join in. If you're ever stuck in a mosh pit, that's it. Just
I was like, ah!
She was trying to get off, but I was like, yeah, slam into each other, slam into each other, slam me.
You were wearing the little black outfit, and I had on
Mario. What?
But I had a really good time in Krapover.
Well, somebody's saying the stage is the best part. So we take so long to get ready. And usually what's been happening for the past few years is we go with such a large group that to
No, we stopped going with large groups.
Yes, but okay.
You said for the past few years.
Few years. We go with a large group of girls.
Okay, Levi. Yesterday we went with a large group.
Yesterday. So like... It's very hard to get 8 girls ready for a certain time to cross the stage. I cannot tell you the last time I've crossed the damn stage. And last year we made it just in time to while our band finished on the stage.
Yeah, but I also believe
annoying.
that you take a long time in the morning, Joe. Because even when it's just the 2 of us. And
yes, but I can be ready. If I can be ready and I always try to cross this, I always try to get to the stage and then it's, did you get your cup? Got to go back for the tickets, got to do this. Oh, I didn't put enough glitter.
Dude, I have never complained about anything because you know as soon as I get on the road I'm going to make the water touch me anyway.
I can be ready, but the thing is that with me it doesn't matter what time you want to leave, I'll be on time. I'll just wake up early.
Bex, Miklan, thank you. Jodi and this bang.
Haters. Mario. Yeah.
I thought that bar. I would love to go out to Krapover. Can we go out to Krapover?
D1212. Did you get your D1212 won something. What did she win? Was it last week or the week before? She said somebody hide the comb.
I know. Please. I'm dying. I can't manage. Boy.
Guys, that's the 23rd time she's picked up the comb.
Oh gosh. You know, I don't want to go back to the point that
have you guys ever been to Coachella? We'll answer that soon.
I've never been. Jodi has.
So guys, remember, if you would like to send in your products, if you would like some advertising spots, if you want us to talk about your goods, products, services, or your man, you can always email us at a joke. People like me to talk about, man. info@meccajamaica.com, and of course we have the page Mecca Jamaica. So oh, that them right. What is that emoji? Granny eyes? What's that little thing right there? Granny.
That's you with your hairstyle bang. We're dead.
I don't understand. It looks so good. I like it.
Joe, everybody likes it too, but stop combing it.
What do you mean? It keeps
your going. It's like a toupee. No.
Oh, people comb their toupee all the time?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, God. Anyway, yes. So, you can email
info@meccajamaica.com, or you can check out pin Mecca Jamaica. I'm just going to pin your comment. There you go, Mom. We pinned you.
So anyway. What are you guys gonna cook for this long weekend? Like I'm just trying to get my groceries
You know
together.
that there's some people, like I just found out, maybe at the end of last
I was
year.
asking Scott, why don't we just get some lasagnas from Half Baked and done? And he was like, no. And I was like, yo, I don't want to be spending my whole entire weekend cooking.
But that's what I was saying, you guys come and sleep over one of the nights and we cook.
Well, I was saying to him to do that. Then he was saying, oh, his friends might come over, but him two friends want him to sleep over.
Them just nyam. Baked potato soup.
Okay.
That sound heavy.
Him friend that him want come.
Kimmy say tired for cook.
Tired for cook, yeah. Him friend that him want come over can nyam, you see.
But let's just be appreciative right now, everybody who's here, that we are thinking about this, that we have something to cook. You know, there are some people that live day to day, that live like they don't buy some. And this is what I realize: toothpaste is sometimes sold by the squeeze.
No.
Yes.
Wait.
So bread is also, sorry, hold on. This is getting serious. Bread is also like a slice, or you can buy a slice of bread, a slice of cheese, a squeeze of toothpaste. So, you know, it's all well and good that, you know, some of the more able to can say, let's lock down. We also have to think, and I think this is one thing that Bro God has been doing, he also thinks about those who live hand to mouth. And, you know, it's a very difficult and trying time, but it's hard to kind of balance it out. So I just want us to right now just take a little moment to be appreciative of what we do have, and that we can plan food for the weekend. And, you know, it's really trying times, and I just want us to all appreciate what we have. And I know there's a lot more that we may want or need, but let's appreciate right now what we have. Finished.
That was nice, Joe. That was good. That was good.
Can you see when I do that?
Yes, we can see when you use a comb.
No, not the comb. Oh, you didn't see. Okay.
Oh, you have a new move.
What do you mean?
When you do that, to try and blow your bangs out your face? We can see you, Joe.
What colognes sell by the squirt? I don't know about that, because I find that you don't really need cologne. Unless...
Raven Zip 103 says, the poor comb.
Why is this a big deal? My makeup artist keeps...
I'm dying. I have to go. We're ending this one early because you and this comb.
It wasn't a big deal. Okay, and I like this hairstyle. So if you guys ever see me out at a party, just leave me alone. Okay, leave me alone. How do people wear this hairstyle without combing it all the time? It's
But
great.
I feel like they...
No!
Oh,
You guys were at 32 combs! They're cozy. I'm really upset the comb is gone.
You can go pick it up if you need it that badly.
Add a cute barrette. No, because I kind of like, if I'm like dancing or I'm like really angry, it gets down in my face. I'm like, you know, you guys, you see how much forehead I have? The hair can all part. Jeez, where can I get the back juice to back? Back juice?
It's not bad.
Stop back. So this is Lady B Mixology. We will tag her after. You guys can watch the repeat.
But that is a really good flavor.
Yeah, you can watch the repeat in HD over on our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky. And this is Lady B Mixology, and this is one
Lime
of...
and cilantro.
No.
What is it? Cucumber cilantro.
Okay. And this is one of our summer flavors. This is cucumber and cilantro.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Cucumber.
Jodi, you doing the white girl blow.
Yo, my boobs look so good. This is like the one thing about pregnancy I've loved.
Boobs?
Boobies! Boobies!
I saw Dr. Miami. If you're over here, which you're not, you can always give me a discount when I go for my second boob job.
They look great.
You could do, your boobs are now $6,900 with Dr. Miami. And he said that that's a special.
I just blew boob off, but it was to think that 6,900 is a special.
That's a lot of money for some boobs.
Yeah, that's a lot of money, period.
I wonder if I brought my own implants, if I could get a further discount.
Like, what are you buying? Like mangoes? Like, what kind of implants are you bringing?
I don't know. Like, you don't know. I sometimes you have some tough balloons, or I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lady B Mixology does do delivery. 6,900 Jamaican for 2 titty. Fits. You can't even like take out a 2 mole for that.
You can't even go KFC and get 2 titty for that.
What's a regular price for boobs? Why are you asking me that? Oh, he came back!
33.
So you can get like for 4 or 5? Can get for 4 or 5? Yeah. The doctor, your friend. Make 2 posts for your doctor, I get it for 4.
You know, the last time I waxed, my hair hasn't really grown back. Joe, you're wetty underarm.
Because I don't use antiperspirant.
It really freaks me out.
I've spent this entire what you call it, pandemic, using a natural deodorant, and my armpit does not smell. It's just a little moist looking.
It's very
smell it.
I'm scared. I'm scared. You're gonna lock me down in there.
No, I won't lock you down in there. It's not wetty.
It's moist. Oh,
it's a little moist. Because there's no antiperspirant. You can put in antiperspirant beside your boobs.
It doesn't smell.
Exactly. Are you gonna kiss it?
I wasn't kissing it. Ugh.
Ladies, stop using so much antiperspirant under your arm. Your armpit is right beside your breast. Hold on, did you just say that your hairs have not grown back? Did you just say that? No. Oh yeah, I did with. Tracy, this one, did you just say since the last time you waxed, which was when, 5 years ago? Tracy, it's all here.
Let me see the mirror.
It's all here.
That's not true. That's not true. It is true. Oh my God, it's so much. Let me see. I didn't realize.
My hair hasn't grown back since the last time I waxed. Could you show me?
It's grown back, guys. It's there.
You can't see it on the arm.
I didn't know it had come back. But with a vengeance.
So what, it didn't knock?
So Scotland couldn't even tell me anything.
You can't see your own underarm?
I mean, not really.
I guess so.
I didn't know anything was there. Oh my goodness. There I was boasting.
I know.
Oh.
Guys.
Oh, that's what you get.
It's like, Tracy, I'm going to make olive oil chicken. Oh, I don't have any olive oil. So let's just use this carburetor oil that I found by my neighbor. The amount of time Tracy look out the window when she cook. Like, oh, my neighbor is leaving. My neighbor is coming in. Leave your neighbor alone. Make the neighbor do them business.
I'm just in the Caribbean woman. I have to check on my neighbors.
Oh, when Tracy back turn.
I love my neighbors. Oh God. I can't believe it. What a day.
What a day. What a day. What is this happening with Skilly Bang? And he came out and he's like, I don't mean at the video. Is it the kind of video I'd like to see?
I don't know if I want to even talk about somebody named Skilly Bang.
What are you talking about, Tracy? Sean has a song with Skilly Bang. You know,
Skilly Bang.
Skilly Bang is one of those new young artists.
Jodi, I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Says Ash H13.
Apparently people are replacing deodorant with lactic acid now since it's antibacterial. I just find there's other things you could do before lactic acid. Sean Paul, love of my life, Skilly Bang. No, that's not what I meant. Do you count calories? Depends on how many of them there are.
If it goes past 1, then no.
See, this is Massacre, Sean Paul and Skinny Bang. But this is ever a song.
I think it's Miseko.
Pardon me? What happened? What's that word? Did anybody hear what Tracy just said? I think it's Maseka. So we have Maseka, Sean Paul, and what does that word say?
I know that Skilly Bang, I keep saying it. Why am I so uncool? Oh my God.
This video is cool too. I've seen the video. This is Skilly Bang.
Okay. It's not my kind of song. It's a gun tune.
Everest, yeah, it's about you know, when you go down to Everest.
Oh, that's what it's about?
Well, it's called yeah, it's like a Batman song.
Yeah, I'm not really into Batman songs.
I just find that there's a time and place for Batman songs.
Some people like them.
I like when I'm driving, I drive to a Batman song. If you see me coming.
Scott likes to listen to house music, like that's how he relaxes. I mean, I like to listen to smooth jazz. I mean, he's like cooking dinner to like house music. I'm like, bro, what are you doing?
Yeah.
You have to listen to some smooth jazz.
No, I like to brick prom brick. No, my mom knows it. Levi knows it because Lucas sings brick prom brick. Well, what does let Tracy listen to that, Joe?
I'll take it home for homework, Raven. I'll do it for homework.
That's Massacre. Blind Leading the Blind. Like Massacre's great, Skilly Bang's great, and I like Intense too. But Intense, he speaks so bad. When Intense starts singing, like, what is that he said? And there's a line in one of Sean's songs. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And Sean's like, that's not what he says. Yo.
But Jodi found a new artist today.
But she's not dancehall.
She's still cool. It's my kind of music.
Hanky Panky. What's your name? Not Hanky Panky.
Like Solane, but how do you mean she's the
Solane?
Who is that?
You don't know Solane? She just had her funeral on 9/9, but she's still alive. She says she won't enjoy it while she's alive, and as far as I'm concerned, that's way better than what I was planning for my funeral.
You planned your funeral?
Yeah, I did with Scott, and he said I couldn't do that because it's partially illegal.
Well, what were you planning?
Everybody went teeth my idea now. So
she went down to Roman's funeral home, apparently.
So I spoke to Scott. Big up to Roman's funeral home. They'll make it happen. I want a half and half.
Right.
So if I look really, really, really good and whatever, I would like to hold my urn.
Okay.
So I would like upper
bust.
body holding my urn.
So that it would just be the lower body cremated in your urn.
Right. So I want a half and half. But if I'm not looking too good, like depending on how I died, then he could use my feet holding my urn, like a wraparound like this. You know? So definitely, I want a half and half.
So what did Scott say about this?
Scott was like, do you know how to get a half and half? And I'm like, no, I don't own Roman's funeral home. He goes, I would have to saw you in half. And I was like, but I'm dead. You want me to be like, ow? Saw me here. You don't have to see my pum pum. Saw me here.
Yeah.
If you want to see my dead pum pum, you can. But I definitely want a half and half.
Yeah, but
and if anybody takes my idea, I'm gonna be really upset.
Okay.
I don't want the glass thing. I just want a half and half.
Yeah.
For sure. That's definitely what I want, a half and half.
Okay.
And if Scott can't do it, then I know the funeral house in Trinidad can. Because they put people to sit up.
Oh yeah, they did.
They will definitely saw me in half with no hesitation.
Yeah.
Oh God, she real cute, eh? She real cute. I hear she come for Carnival. Sometimes I see her at St. James Bridge. We chopping gal in half now. Yeah. Oh God.
Oh. But you know what they had down at Roman's the other day that I thought was really nice?
What's that?
They had these little charms that you put ashes in.
Oh.
So
I like that.
Yeah, you can walk
So you can
around.
like, if your parents or somebody who's really, really close to you dies, you can walk with their ashes. I think that's really nice.
I wonder if Solane put her ashes in a pendant and walked around.
No, Solane is alive.
Maybe she just put like a fingernail in there then.
A fingernail?
Yeah.
All right, let's send a what do you call it? A special gift to Solane. I don't know why everybody's bringing up Solane. It's one to Solane today, man.
Show me her.
Solane Anderson. No, man.
That's
This
her?
is the official page. This is not her.
Oh.
Solane must have more followers than this, man.
Which Jamaican coffee do you drink or would you recommend? It says George at 1248. Well, George at 1248, there's a lot of different Jamaican coffee brands and they're roasted differently and prepared differently, which gives each one a very unique flavor. Also, it depends on like the altitude of what they were at, which they were grown at. So I like Coffee Traders. It comes in a brown bag and I use a French press coffee machine. So I put 2 tablespoons to the 4 of my fingers here in my French press, and then I press that down, and that's how I make my coffee for Scott and I in the mornings, which I haven't done since I'm pregnant actually. There was a brand, or there is a brand at CPJ called Kainon. I hear that that one is really good. Also a very good brand of coffee is the Bob Marley coffee.
You have Coffee Traders too?
Yeah, I said Coffee Traders.
Oh.
And also I love the coffee when I go to Cafe Blue.
But isn't Cafe Blue uses
Bob
Coffee
Marley.
Traders?
I'm not sure.
There's one that I opened this week. So I always buy my Jamaican coffee, and then I opened one this week. It was in a burlap bag and I can't remember the label. It came out and it was so much moister and darker than other coffees, and I've been really enjoying it. Cafe Blue. But I don't know if Cafe Blue has its own branding on a bag. I don't
know either, you know, because I know that they actually they sell the Bob Marley coffee there at Cafe Blue.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
So someone recommended Cafe Blue. Cafe Blue has excellent coffee.
They do. It is premium coffee. It is premium coffee. I mean, it is expensive, but it's premium. But I would say those are the 3 brands that I kind of draw to the most. And I guess because, you know, it also depends on how you prepare your coffee, the brand of, and the bean and the
where it's grown. There's a lot
that how you prepare it. So that, like, depending on the...
Try Wayne Marshall's dad's coffee. His dad has a coffee?
Really? I didn't know that. It's called Royal Blue Mountain Coffee Jamaica. I didn't know that.
They're just using Jamaica's name. There are companies that say, yeah, there's a whole heap of companies, not just on our coffee, but on t-shirts or whatever, and they just slap Jamaica's name on it. Wallington coffee is good too. Maybe we could have a coffee competition.
That is a great idea.
But you can't drink it though.
I can drink it.
Actually, we could have a spittoon for you.
I know. It's okay. I can have a little coffee a day. I can have a cup of coffee a day.
Oh, so that we could taste. But we could have a spittoon for you as well.
Yeah, we could have a spittoon.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, guys.
Do you like a coffee competition? We can just have black raw coffee, and just taste.
Yeah.
And taste which one is good. We could ask Jason to come here too and help us to judge. Jason from
Cafe Blue?
Yes, from Cafe Blue. And I'm trying to remember his coffee company. No, but then that wouldn't be fair. Coffee company. Meet the Mitchell family. Send on a bag of where do we get the Royal Blue Mountain coffee? I'm gonna look out for that one next. I'm actually buying coffee tomorrow. At the supermarket tomorrow.
Oh, can we go to the supermarket together?
Sure. Okay. How do you make your coffee? So at one point I was doing the Corfit diet where you could have black coffee as like a snack or a break or whatever. So I found that to me, the best black coffee alone, to me, I like the Starbucks coffee, and it was kind of like leaving the gym. So I would just get a black Starbucks coffee.
Starbucks actually does use Jamaican coffee.
Yeah. In the without the mixings. And then what I had done was
like if you're getting a black coffee from Starbucks, it is Jamaican coffee. But if you're doing the mixy drinks,
then it's
a
Starbucks
coffee blend. Yeah.
So what I did was I bought a coffee machine because I realized the $380 adding up for coffees, it kind of adds up. So I went into the most expensive place in the world and I bought a coffee machine, and I make my coffee every morning. I don't need to stop off and have somewhere. What is that?
Fitzroy says black coffee, no sugar, no cream. Fitz love add things to his recipes.
He says no sugar, no cream. The coffee itself is a great antioxidant. It also helps to curb hunger cravings, and it can also help with the memory, production, something with your memory. Black coffee is actually really good for you to have a little bit of every day because it has so much not vitamins, it has minerals and a lot of antioxidants, and it can help with brain memory retention. I had a Imsmoy. I did have a Keurig machine and it was really cool, delicious.
But it was
coffee.
hard to get pods and it became expensive, and then like to do like, you know, more multiple cups and stuff. I thought it became expensive.
It did, because it was great in a Bible machine, very expensive, and it looks great.
And then when we were just like, oh, this is getting super expensive, we did get the reusable pod. But then it didn't make it very nicely. It was watery.
That's right, Drew. Coffee does make you poo, but it's called laxative. So you just drink your coffee. Usually I get all...
Who doesn't love a good poo though? Come on. I love a
when
good
you
poo.
can't poo, that's a problem, you know.
I know.
When I was pregnant, I was very bung up.
Me too.
You were really bung the other day. She was so bung, she had to go to the doctor.
I called the doctor.
She called the doctor.
We called the doctor. Me say I'm sick. I called Dr. Darrell Daly. Crying. I can't do that. You know how embarrassing that was?
I find he's a doctor and he's my friend, so he's been through the embarrassing parts. Yo, I call Dr. Daly so much for all foolish. I only sprained my ankle. He's like, I deal with vaginas. Where is the sprain? On your vagina? I was like, no, my ankle. He goes, what do you want, Jodi? I was like, you answered the phone.
He's very sweet.
He's very sweet, and he have time for me. Like
I sent Miss Rose there the other day.
When he
family doctor.
When he what do you call it? Later that night he called me. He's like, oh yeah, he messaged me, how's your ankle? Is everything okay? He's very sweet and he's caring. So big up Dr. Daly, the pum pum doctor, not uncle. What was hurting me one time, so I called him and he's like, Jodi.
Kayla T. Reed is asking, why does that happen that pregnant women get bung up? Girl, let me tell you something. I have no idea.
Yeah, but you do the string.
Jodi, I'm talking. You're being rude. Talking over me. That's why let me stay so, you know. I've been biting your back.
No, that's naughty. Very naughty. Naughty girl. Naughty.
You're naughty. So anyway, Kayla T. Reed, let me tell you something. I don't know. Oh, by the Cabana's hair, I'm wearing your dress. Thank you.
No, you're wearing my dress.
It's mine. They gifted it to me.
It was by way of me.
So anyway, your body goes through a lot of hormonal changes, you know. So I can show you guys my pops if you want to see them this week, which is it happens in
cover your pum.
one. I have on a panty. So it happens in one in every like 200 or 300 women. I don't remember. Some women get stretch marks, some women get pops. This is my By the Cabana dress.
I think you'd rather the pops.
Oh, I guess I'd rather the pops here. Oops, sorry.
Hold on. So there's a cute little clip that you can buy, or you can use a safety pin and just ask a friend to hook this for you. Because
yeah, you have to do that for me because I'm going to supermarkets after in my dress.
I thought you were coming to the supermarket with me tomorrow.
I have to get something for dinner tonight, like a piece of
show
meat
the
or
pops.
something.
So explain more what the pops is.
So it's a rash that happens. Push this one down for me. It's a rash that happens on the tummy. Mine actually doesn't look that bad. Some of them come out and look like pustules, like they can look like acne, and some can come out looking like red, really aggravated. But mine has come out looking like brown scabs, I guess you could say. And getting a little bit more. And they really itch. Like they itch a lot.
So what do you put on as it start the itching?
Well, one of my friends here on the Instagram, they told me that I could use calamine lotion. You can also use hydrocortisone, and then afterwards you have to keep really moisturized, right? So I've been using the butter that you gave me.
Somebody says they got those. So just keep
You got it too? Who?
Oh, somebody's asking if you got a new panty.
Yes, Saucy, you noticed. Oh, yes, Saucy, I got new panty.
We're so happy for Tracy. She has new panties, everybody.
Yeah. I got a new bra.
Somebody said new panty. Who that?
Yeah.
Girl. Hey, look at you with your new panties.
Yeah. Ay.
Guys, I can't believe the show has gone by this quickly.
I feel like I've laughed the entire show.
No, and also cussed me. I believe you cussed me. So now we're going to go over on YouTube. Jodi, you never let Tracy talk. Dislike.
No, don't dislike anything.
Well, you have your 3 dislikers because of your white chicken, and I have my 2 dislikers that just haunt me.
I believe I don't know. My 3 dislikers is only because of chicken white. It's okay, guys.
Oh, nobody doesn't like you? I mean, nobody doesn't dislike you?
No, nobody dislikes me. Why would you dislike me?
Now I'm struggling to remove the dark spot. Girl, let's get a little what you call it?
Bleaching cream.
I was going to say some retinol, but okay.
Yeah, just use a bleaching cream, put it on a Q-tip and rub on the dark spots.
That's what I did with Ambi. When I had I had different marks on my legs and I never used to wear stockings to Carnival.
Yeah, just get a little bleaching.
I just don't find that bleaching cream is the answer though. And I hate how that sounds, bleaching cream.
Nadinola. Yes, it's the same panty on Amazon. You can do the Amazon brand panty. I think this one was the Amazon brand, and the one before that I had bought was a different brand. This is the Amazon brand panty. The Amazon Basics, yeah.
Amazon Basics is a pretty good brand, eh?
Well, you know, you wear your panty every day, so you really should be buying new panties often. So.
Hydrocortisone is a steroid, that is true.
Okay, Chrissy, it is true, which is why they were saying that you could use that, but like a 1% version, which I didn't choose to use that, so that's why I've been using the calamine lotion.
So somebody asked what a retinol does. A retinol is not similar, but it's of the retin A family, but you can get a retinol over the counter, you can buy one online, and what it helps to do, it helps to inhibit the production of excess pigment.
And Island Girl is also giving you the thing of use a turmeric scrub.
Okay. And you
yes, Gabby Booth. She bought 2 packs of the panties on Amazon. Very good. Yeah, so you should be buying new panties like once every 3 months, you know, because you pum pum and bam bam on that every day. Even though you're washing it, I mean, it still must get frozen. Oh.
What, the panties?
Yeah.
So you have like residual bam bam smell?
No, but I switch out my panties like every 3 months. I'm not just going to keep my ear panty.
I do. Sorry, excuse me.
Do you have your wedding day panty? The panty you wore on your wedding day?
Yes, that panty was so... I can't believe I wear that panty on my wedding day. First of all, it was not new, but it was super comfortable. Because if you...
You didn't even wear a new panty on your wedding day?
Tracy, no, and I think I still have it.
I didn't wear a panty at all.
Yeah, but I have wetty pum pum, so I can't do that. But imagine you trying to pick out a wedgie through a wedding dress. So I had to wear a comfortable panty, and one that I knew was not going to be like, I need to pick it out. You can't pick through a wedding dress. No.
So where's your wedding panty?
Probably in the drawer. I wouldn't want to show it on camera.
I want to see it.
No.
Come now.
We'll bring it next week.
I don't feel if you go for it next week, you're going to make up a wedding panty.
No, it's a white Elita panty. That was a brand that we used to sell out here in Jamaica.
Are you serious?
Yes, I wore one for my wedding.
Oh my gosh. I think I should have worn an edible panty on my wedding day though.
Yeah, but by the time you're at your wedding and you're dancing and you're jiggling, the edible panty going to start melt on them things. So you just like walk around with like gummy pum.
Yeah.
Gummy pum, you know? Oh, I see you guys counting my combs. Stop the crap.
Gummy pum for the gummy worm.
Hey. Somebody else was sipping on Lady B Mixology, the cucumber cilantro lemonade.
Lady B Mixology, she's drunk.
What's that?
Lady Mixology. You hear the biter?
She's not, don't call her the biter. Alright guys, we have come to that time. We have taken you away from your work way too long. We are going to wrap up. She's at the door. Remy's at the door. I can hear her. One more combs and we're at 50 combs. I give the people what they want. Thank you all so buddy.
Thank you all somebody. Oh, Remy's at the door, saucy.
On the other side, she's trying to nap.
I know.
No, I think Grace is trying to put her down. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. We're going to have like a little...
M. Town says a word from our sponsor, the comb.
Make sure you head on over to Mecca Jamaica and you can find out how you can have your products or your service or whatever it is on the show. Wow.
Yeah, I meant so
It's in my.
yeah, I just feel like I can't concentrate today. Yes, head on over to Mecca Jamaica to see how you can have your products or your services advertised here on the show. It will get featured just as many times as this comb. Anyways, guys,
Thank you so much for joining. We will see you next week. And
oh, and guys, just a quick reminder. Thank you so much to everybody who has bought something off of my registry. I have received so many things. I just did the photo shoot on Sunday for you guys to put on my thank you cards. Why are you angling that at my pum pum? Okay. And I just want to remind you to put your to make sure their address is your mailing address so I can send you the card, and to put your Instagram handle on it so that I can see. Okay.
is it moving?
It's moving. Okay. That was good, Joe.
I sat there and practiced that.
I
Just saying. Alright guys, thank you so much. We will join you next week when you have another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky.
Bye, guys.
Oh. Now we upside on mail pack. Oh dear. Lady Mixology, this one is good. This one is good.
Apparently real good.
Bye.